Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate LinkedIn login into your Laravel application using Laravel Socialite. We will go step by step, starting with setting up the app in LinkedIn developer portal, configuring Laravel Socialite, and then implementing the login functionality. By the end of this video, you will be able to let users log in with LinkedIn and retrieve their profile information seamlessly. So let's get started. Let us install Laravel Socialite first. This is official documentation. Copy the command, paste it in terminal. It will take few seconds. And after that, I will be opening LinkedIn developer portal. And there we have to create an app. Okay. This is the LinkedIn developer portal. Click on create app. Write the name of your app. You need one company page. So you have to create a page, company profile in LinkedIn, and paste the link of that page into the above URL, then select the privacy policy page and upload your logo. Agree to the terms and conditions. Okay. Uh, All the information is filled. Click on create app and then click on is sign in with LinkedIn using OpenID Connect. Request access and accept that. Once it is done, click on auth and you'll find client ID and client secret. Okay. So I'll be adding those in my CMD file, LinkedIn client ID, LinkedIn client secret. I'll be adding that in the report. Now let us add the redirection URL. So you can add as many URLs you want to add. For example, if you have three environments like staging, production, or development, you can add three URLs. If you have only one environment, then you can add that URL. I have two environments, production and the local. So I'll be adding those local host, and you have to include port as well if you are running on your local. And instead of LinkedIn, you have to have LinkedIn hyphen OpenID because we are setting it using OpenID. Here I'll define LinkedIn hyphen OpenID credentials. So this is client ID, client secret, and redirect. Okay, which are being called from env file. Now let us create a controller to handle these logins. So I'm creating one controller named the social login controller. Inside that, I have to define two functions. So I'll be defining the path here. One would be the redirect path and the other would be the callback path. So it would be slash auth provider. This one is variable. If you are integrating only LinkedIn, then you can type LinkedIn hyphen OpenID, but I'm making it dynamic so that if I integrate Google or Facebook, then these URLs will work in that case as well. Setting the name, social dot redirect. Same for the callback. Including the absolute path inside this. Let us start creating these two functions. Public function redirect and public function callback. These two functions you'll find in the official documentation of Socialite too. But just to show you, I'm writing these functions here. The redirect and callback, both of them will take the dollar provider variable because as I said earlier that I'm putting the provider as a variable because it can contain Google, Facebook, LinkedIn logins. And uh, so here I have to call the redirect functions of Socialite driver. Okay, this function you'll find in the official documentation. And same, I have to write the callback function too. I'll show you that in the official documentation. So see, this is that redirect function, and this one is the callback function. So I'll be copying this only. You can change the columns as per your data structure, but in my case, I only have name, email, and password. So I'll use name, email, password only. I'll paste these here. Okay, and this will be dynamic. And including the model, here it would be email. Uh, yeah, email would be unique in my case. So I'll be adding email. Let's rename it to social users because I'll be using multiple logins, so that's why get email. That is the default function. It will basically fetch the email. Remove these two. I'll include email, and for password, I'll be setting some random string. So name would be get name, yeah, and password would be encrypted unique ID. Encrypt and unique ID. That's it. Include auth, eliminate support package. Now this is done. Web.php looks good. So in services, I have included the credentials. In ENB, I have added the credentials. Everything's look good now. It is correct. Now let us open login.jsx. Inside that, I have created handle social logins, which is basically redirect to that URL which we have defined in web.php, the redirect one. So it is done. When you click on login, it will redirect you to this screen and you are logged in. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content.